Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something rich, thick and unbelievably delicious. Authentic Delta Banga soup cooked with catfish, kpomo and a blend of Banga spices. Let's go! First, we'll start by seasoning our fresh catfish with salt and a cube of seasoning. And we're going to pop that in the oven. Let us lock in the flavor. While the fish is baking, grab your 2 big cans of palm nut cream. If you're not using 2 big cans, you can use any quantity you want. This is what I'm using today because I want to make a large quantity. Grab your cans or your can of palm nut cream and dilute with boiling water. Make sure it's smooth and not too thick. Pour the diluted palm nut cream into a pot and let it boil for 10 minutes. Add the blended pepper mix, that is scotch bonnet peppers, onions and crayfish. Leave to cook for about 5 minutes and then add ground Banga spices. Add crushed seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Oh, this smells so good. Next, we're going to add our dried catfish. Remember, we put our catfish in the oven. Now it's ready for us to add into the pot. So we're going to add our dried catfish. We're going to add our cat skin, which is kpomo, alongside with the meat stock. And we are going to add our washed bitter leaves. You can use dry bitter leaves and that is fine. I'm using fresh bitter leaves. And gently slide in your catfish. Stir softly. We want full chunks of fish in every scoop. and let it cook until the fish is ready. And boom, our Banga soup is ready. When I tell you this soup is delicious, I mean it is delicious. So it's absolutely delicious. I hope you're going to try this recipe. This isn't just a soup, it's a whole experience, perfect with starch, rice or eba. If you've not tried this before, I encourage you to try it. You're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.